Planning a trip to India and need a reliable eSIM solution? In this video, we'll compare two popular options, Ubigi and Wanderesim. We'll break down their data plans, pricing, and coverage to help you choose the best option for staying connected while traveling. Plus, we'll introduce yesim with its unlimited data packages, a great choice for those who don't want to worry about running out data. Check out yesim's options in the description below. Now, let's dive into the comparison. Ubigi offers competitive rates, especially for short-term travelers, with various data packages that cater to different needs. On the other hand, Wanderesim provides more flexible options with good coverage across India. But what if you want the peace of mind of unlimited data? That's where yesim comes in, offering an easy-to-use service with unlimited data packages, perfect for heavy data users. Get the link to yesim in the description. Both Ubigi and Wanderesim have their advantages. Ubigi is often praised for its ease of activation and use, while Wanderesim is known for its wide range of data packages. However, if you're looking for a simple solution with no data limits, yesim might be your best bet. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and travel tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.